Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your HP laptop password if you've forgotten it. It can be incredibly frustrating to be locked out of your own computer, but don't worry, we're here to help you get back in. We'll walk you through a straightforward and reliable method using a password reset disk. This essential tool will allow you to regain access to your system without losing any of your valuable data. Let's get started and get you back up and running in no time. Before you can reset a forgotten password, you'll need to create a password reset disk. This is a proactive step that's incredibly valuable. You'll need an empty USB flash drive or a blank CD or DVD. Simply go to the control panel, navigate to User Accounts, and then select Create a Password Reset Disk. Follow the simple on-screen prompts, and in just a few moments, you'll have a powerful tool ready for any future password emergencies. It's a small effort for great peace of mind. Now, let's say you've forgotten your password and you have your trusty reset disk. Simply insert the USB drive or CD into your HP laptop. On the login screen, after entering an incorrect password, you'll see a Reset Password link appear. Click on it, and the Password Reset wizard will guide you. Select your password reset disk, follow the instructions to create a brand new password, and add a helpful hint. You'll be back into your laptop in just a few easy steps. To wrap things up, remember to keep your password reset disk in a secure yet easily accessible location. It's your key to regaining access. Also, always aim for strong, unique passwords to enhance your laptop's security. Consider regularly backing up your important files to an external drive or cloud service, just in case. If you use a Microsoft account to log in, familiarize yourself with its online password recovery options too. Staying prepared is the best way to avoid future lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.